The Success landing page on the CSM FSM configurable workspace offers a collection of information that's invaluable to customer success managers in determining the status of their portfolio. It contains tiles for account of total engagement and the contract value associated with those engagements, a really nice visualization for overall engagement health, and one that stacks engagements by the stage of the engagement, indicating a count of engagements within that stage, and an indication of the health associated with the engagements in that stage. Below, we have a filterable list containing filter options such as new, escalated, or renewals in 90 days. Below, we'll have a list of the engagements in the portfolio with attributes like the engagement title, contract value, calculated health score, and its 6-week trend, as well as perceived health and others. Some collapsible containers on the right-hand side hold work associated with the engagements, sorted by due today, created this week, and so on. Moving to the engagement record itself, we'll see key attributes such as the title. We'll see that 6-week trend again, as well as the engagement health score. These attributes are displayed throughout the workspace as they are very key and important attributes associated with each engagement. Along the left column, we'll see one for the engagement record itself. Selecting this pencil icon opens the engagement record and displays the attributes associated with it. This is where that engagement would be edited if need be. Saving or canceling will condense that particular tile again. Beneath, we'll find the customer team. These are the individuals on the customer side of the engagement who are directly contributing to an engagement. These could be stakeholders and the like. Beneath, we'll see the cross-functional squad. These folks are not directly accountable for an engagement, but could potentially lean in to offer support during key activities and stages of the engagement as necessary. The account team below rounds out the members associated with the engagement. This is where your sales manager, product manager, support managers, those folks who are not particularly accountable for an engagement, but offer direct support to the engagement. A carousel for upcoming touch points will display tiles associated with the touch points containing due dates, titles, and so on. A list of risks and issues below identify events that could pose a threat to the health of the engagement. And then all other associated work items are filterable in the list at the bottom of the engagement page. You can also sort them by priority. In the contextual sidebar, we'll see items related, such as squad, outcomes and initiatives, applicable contracts, products, and so on. Moving to the Health tab, we'll see across the top, again, the title of the engagement, the 6-week trend, and the current health score. Beneath, we'll find another visualization of the health score as well as a 12-week trend. And at the bottom, we'll find the indicators associated with the metrics used to calculate the health score, with key attributes such as color coding to understand the values, whether they represent something that is good or bad or neutral, as well as a trend line showing the value over time, weighting, targets, etc. The Success Blueprint tab contains, again, the 6-week trend, the health score, and in this particular page, we'll see tiles containing the objectives that are related to a given account. Those objectives will have start dates, due dates, contacts, products that are directly associated with them, as well as an indication of how far this objective is towards completion based on the initiative records that are associated with it and the disposition to those records. Additionally, from this page, we can sort the objectives displayed, we can launch into the initiative roadmap, and we can add more objectives and outcomes using Success Blueprints. The last tab in the workspace for engagements is renewal and expansion. Again, we have the 6-week trend and the health score. In this list, we have active contracts that are associated with a given engagement. They contain a visualization if the particular contract is due for renewal within 90 days, and it can be sorted based on the renewal date.